My name is Dion. I'm the owner of Portland Floor, and we provide flooring services for Mountainwood homes and the greater Portland metro area. We do sand-in-place floors as well as pre-finished flooring. Pre-finished floor is pre-manufactured and you just install it when you bring it on site, whereas a more custom option is to do a sand-in-place floor. And we do a lot of sand-in-place floors for Mountainwood homes. The direction a floor is laid a lot of times is restricted by the framing of the home. Usually a wood floor will need to go opposite of the way the floor joists go. Pre-finished floors is referred to as anything that's already made and it just needs to be installed. A pre-finished floor could be an engineered wood floor, it could be a laminate floor, it could be a LVT floor, which stands for luxury vinyl tile, or LVP for luxury vinyl plank. Pre-finished floors are a great option for people that are wanting to have a floor that's done rather quickly in their home. It requires just installation and the floor is ready for use. Pre-finished floors can be real wood floors, they could be solid, they can be engineered, and those two categories are what we call a natural floor. So a natural floor is going to have unlimited patterns in it, as in there will be no repeat patterns. There are advantages to engineered floors, and that is that it is a lot more resistant to temperature and humidity changes in the home. So in the summer it can get very hot and humid, and in the winter it can get very dry and cold. All wood shrinks, not just wood floors, but also woodwork and crown moldings and cabinets and anything that's made out of wood. Also, another option is to do the non-natural floor, which is the man-made floors. Those are LVT floors or laminate floors, and that is just a visual that is printed. As far as advantages for a LVT floor is it is completely resistant to stains. It is completely resistant to water. A sand-in-place floor is one that will offer you a little bit more customization that maybe a pre-finished floor might not. A sand-in-place floor will be seamless, so it will be sort of like a flat sheet of glass over your whole floor. It's a very custom feel. Cleaning it would be a lot easier. Sand-in-place floors are great options in my opinion because it offers extended life to a floor that otherwise on a pre-finished or engineered wood floor or whatever that may be, if you can't service it in the future, then you're stuck with a full replacement.